the 5th installment of our History of Makeup series. Yeah! Today, I don't even know if you can tell on camera, I sprayed the Colorista. Wow, that was weird. I sprayed the Colorista spray in rose gold into my hair. Because today's decade, I guess we're in the decades. Today's timeline is the 1930s. So the 1930s was obviously between the 20s and the 40s. Duh. The makeup styles really, they were kind of transitioning in between the 20s and 40s, and I wanted those two videos to be completely different. So today I am taking inspiration from this picture I found on Pinterest because I loved the colors. I loved how like avant-garde it kind of was, and yet it was simple, it was pretty, it was colorful, and that's what we are going to do. And that's why I sprayed rose gold into my hair. And my eyebrows are back. They were looking a little rough last week. We're going to be taking the Born This Way foundation in color Snow. And we are going to put that all over our face. Alright, now I'm going to take the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in color Swan. Now we're going to set the face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Shake, 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 shake. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to fill in my brows normally. Last week was a hot mess. Alright, so I'm just going to fill these in like I normally do with the NYX Professional Brow Pencil. Okay, so now we're going to start with our eyes, and we're going to dig into the Morphe 35V palette. We're going to go in with Go Nude with a big fluffy brush and just put that all over our lids. Okay, so we are going to start out with Risqué and a big fluffy brush. Let's do this blending brush by Morphe. And I'm just going to kind of do the same thing like we did last week, where I'm going from side to side. Oh, eyeball. I'm going like from side to side. I'm not really going to wing it out too much. I'm just going to go up and down. Alright, next we are going to go into color Trust, T-R-Y-S-T. I don't know. We're going to go into that color, and we're going to take this round tipped brush by Crown and go into that Trist, I have no idea how to say that name, color. And then we're just going to pack it on first before we blend it out. I'm staying closer to my eye crease, and I'm just kind of packing it on there first. Alright, and now I'm going to take the Morphe 573 brush, dip back into Risqué, and blend that a little bit out and up. And I'm going to go down a little bit on the sides of my nose. Alright, so now I'm going to take an even smaller brush. This is the M514, and I'm going to go into Addicted in this palette, which is a dark purple shade. And I'm going to start deepening up this crease area. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking the Morphe 167 flat brush. I'm going to spray it a little bit with some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And we're going to dig into Crush, which is this crazy purple metallic shade. We're going to put that, this outer bit of our eye. Alright, and now I'm going to take Heartbreaker on my finger and pat that on the middle part of my eyelid. Alright, now I'm going to do the same steps on my bottom lash line. I'm going to spray this brush again. I'm going to spray this brush and go into Knockout, which is that bright white in this palette, and put that right there, kind of underneath where my inner corner is, and meet it with those other two shades. Alright, I'm going to be using the NYX Epic Liner Pencil. And we're just going to line the shape of our eyes. Alright, so now we're going to contour a little bit. I'm going to be taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with a big fluffy brush and giving myself a little bit of color. We are going to be starting out with the blush trio. I'm going to go in between these two colors, Boss and Fierce. And now that that is done, we are going to put mascara on our lashes and then put some false lashes on. Alright, so I just put some mascara on with the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Now I'm going to highlight with the Benefit Pretty in the USA palette in color Dandelion Twinkle. Alright, I'm going to go put lashes on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, now we're going to take the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in color Rome. Okay, so that was my 1930s avant-garde, colorful makeup tutorial. Now, I'm not saying that people in the 30s wore this. Unless they were very, 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 very underground. They did not wear this. But this was fun. And I really did like, and I really hope that you guys can see the rose gold in my hair, because I never get color stuff in my hair, but this stuff was pretty cool. I can see it in person. I hope that you guys can see it in the video. And I hope that you guys really did enjoy this fun avant-garde 30s makeup tutorial. Please make sure and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I will see you guys next week for the 1940s. Yes.